Hey, welcome to Whitetail Pines. This is just another in a series of videos. I want to show you a quick, just inside the cabin before we were talking about the maintenance, cutting grass. There's a lot of maintenance. If you have a cabin as a second home, there's a lot of maintenance. Talked about that before, but we'll just go through the cabin real quick, give everybody a view. This is my solar panels. You can view my solar panels on my other videos on my channel. So this is it's a 60 by 40 building, and 20 by 20 of it I turned into a cabin. You can see I drywalled it, put windows, kitchen, wood cook stove with an oven, and this other living area and slash bedroom, TV, bathroom. You can see some of this on my other videos for sure, just to give you a general idea of what I'm dealing with here. This is what I got to do today. Cut around the building with a hand mower, and now I'm getting ready to brush cut this with a brush cutter that I have. So I'll show you. Like I said before, we were gone all summer traveling, and we mainly use this for hunting season, and in the winter we like to come out here when it snows actually. And here's the cutter I use to cut the field. I pull it with my my mule, and you will see that here in a little bit. And maybe you guys can learn from my lesson, but I made a mistake putting this wood in here. I got lizards living in it, so I'm moving it outside to the back porch. This is wood I got from a pallet factory. They pretty much just give it away. You'll pick it up. It's the ends of logs they used to make pallets. But anyway. Whitetail Pines. Well, the field is cut. It's time to go home. Got everything done today. It's looking good. gonna lock everything up and get out of here. All in a day's work. The old mower works pretty good. Got the wood moved. Field's looking good. Took a shower. And get the hell out of here. Oh, let me put that board up. Hey, from Whitetail Pines, I'm out of here.